So as people are coming back, I will explain what it means fun at conference. Okay, you'll notice that in the agenda there are 3 sessions planned for fun, 15-minute blocks. Today we have the first one, and tomorrow there will be 2 more. And in order to make this as fun as possible, I brought the funnest person that I know, who is my wife, Sarah. She's here to come and help us make it extra fun. You may notice something about her. She looks a little different than most people here. I don't know what it is, just a little different. Some people say that she looks like Elsa from Frozen. You may also agree. Yeah. But she's going to explain what we'll be doing for the fun portion of the conference right now, and we'll go from there.
Okay, hopefully everybody's getting a yellow piece of paper. And I'm going to be going over something that you've heard about a lot at conference, which is compliance. So I'm going to be telling you the rules of the game. And we're going to be focusing, of course, on integrity. And we've got some fun prizes. So that's probably the funnest part of conference, is these great prizes that I have for you. So you have an opportunity. The first 3 winners get a prize today and at each of our games. So you can look forward to that. This is a mix and mingle game. We're going to see how many people you can meet in 8 minutes. So wait till we say start. Don't get started yet now. If anyone needs a pen, please raise your hand. They're going around. They have some pens to hand out. If you need a pen, there's some on probably each of the tables, but there's some back on the table. Okay, so when we start, what you're going to do is you're going to try to get to as many people as possible. Now, some of these questions are very easy, like someone wearing green. You're going to find someone wearing green. You're going to go up to them, introduce yourself. They're going to write their name on your paper and what company they're from, okay? And then you're going to maybe do something on their paper. If you have something that you can answer on this list, then you can sign their paper. There are a couple rules of compliance. You can only sign someone's paper 1 time. So every single name on their list needs to be different. And you cannot sign your own paper, okay? Simple rules. So when you're done, raise your hand, because it's going to be the first 3 people who finish is going to get the prize. Or when the timer goes off, it's going to be whoever got the most, okay? So does everybody have a paper? Anybody need a paper? Raise your hand. If anybody need a pen? Raise your hand, please. Ready? We need a paper up front here. Okay. Everybody has a paper? Raise your hand if you need one of these papers. Okay, we have some up in the front that we need here. Jacob, here and here. And we're about to start the timer, so everyone get ready. You need a pen. You need a paper. Look over the questions so you know which ones you can answer, because people are going to be asking you to answer them too. Okay, are we ready? Some of these might be difficult, but we'll give you a little help as the time gets shorter. All right, I'm getting ready to start the timer for 8 minutes. On your marks. Yes. You can only sign once. And you cannot sign your own paper. Now, you can sign different ones on different papers, but every name on the paper must be different. Did everybody get that? You can only sign each person's paper 1 time, and you cannot sign your own paper. So you can write your name at the top of your paper. Your name is at the top of the paper. It can't be written again on that same page. Okay? All right, I think we're ready. On your marks. Get set. Go. Remember, you can only sign 1 time on each paper. Every name must be different. 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left. Oh. Okay, if you were listening in the talks, I heard one of the women that was from the Fikori group It said on her bio that she spoke quite a few languages, so there's a little hint there. And as I was sitting at the Visa Wolf table today, I met quite a few people who said this was their very first conference. So I think you'll have a good time meeting some new faces. You're done? You have signatures from different people? Yes, their name and their company. So your survey has to be filled out with their names and their company name. There you go. Good job. Okay, we have 6 minutes and 35 seconds. If anyone in the room has been skydiving, raise your hand. Anyone in the room been skydiving? Okay, ladies, if you are single, raise your hand if you're single. Not ready, no. If you're a single lady, raise your hand. Raise your hand if you're single. Go get them. Go get their name and their company. All right, how about the gentlemen? If you're single gentlemen, raise your hand. Let's help each other out here. Raise your hand if you are single. All right, I see a single man over there by USI Law. Single man, go get his name. Five minutes left. 5 minutes. Do we have any snow skiers in the crowd? Anyone here been snow skiing? Oh, I see some hands by the Fakori group. Snow skiers in the crowd. I believe that person also speaks a couple languages, so that's a good corner to start. All right, time is winding down. This is a great group from mingling. 4 minutes left. If you're looking for someone in the crowd who has more than 4 children, you have more than 4 children? Oh, I think Mr. Lippman up here has quite a few children. 7 children. Jacob Lippman. Okay. All right, let's call it time. Everyone take your seat, please. All right, everyone take their seat. Count up how many signatures you have. There's a total of 20 signatures. So please count the number of signatures you have. And I'm going to start calling out the number. If you have the highest number, raise your hand and come on down. So go ahead and count up your signatures. There's a total of 20. And our skydiver isn't here today. He's in the US, so I think 19 will be the highest score that we can get possible. Okay. Is there anyone who got 19 signatures? Raise your hand if you got all 19 signatures. Raise your hand. Okay, 18. Anyone get 18? How about 17? Count them up. Okay, 16. Anybody get 16? 15? There's 20 in all. Okay, come on up. If you got 15, come on up. 16? Okay, let me see. Who got 16 first? Okay, here's one. Okay, and then you got 16. Who else got 16? 15? Okay. 15? How many got 15? 3? Okay, we got 1, 2, 3. There's 4. Can you get another voucher? Okay, come on up. Okay, we need to. Okay, it looks like we have a 4-way tie with 15 here. So go ahead and tell me your name and what company you're from.
I'm Susan. I'm from August.
Okay, this is Susan.
Wait a minute, there's 16.
Who got 16? You got 16? All right, you are the ultimate winner. Tell us your name. Okay.
Yeah, Nalini from IBM. Okay. Nirmala from Tesco. Jyoti from L&D Infotech.
Sandhya from Excelia Kale. Sandhya from Excelia Kale.
Okay. You got 16 as well. All right, well, let's have a round of applause for our top minglers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Perfect. Okay. No, that's fine. Okay, so we have, you got 16, so we have 3 that have 16. So a round of applause for all of our 15 winners and prizes for the ones who got 16. So everybody take a bow. Thank you. Here, if you got 16. If you got 16, wait up here for your prize. Oh, late, sorry. You got 16? Where's our other 16 winner? Okay. Okay, is there another 16? Yeah, there was one more 16 person here. Okay, then you've got it. So we got 17 here, so congratulations. Tell us your name.
Shalini from Deloitte.
All right, thank you for coming.
Awesome. So that was our first round of fun at conference. I hope you had a good time.